light, see through it. Really nice for those nice hot summer nights. It has a lot more ventilation and everything, and keeps you a little bit cooler. This particular one is made with Moroccan Blue Monolite. It has black ham steel continuous loops on each end and a black ridge line on there made out of ham steel. The stitching is also black on there. So I've got these two prussics on here, and I'll show you in a minute what those are made for. Okay, so I always say that we try to do totally custom work. You know, if you could dream it up, we can try to make it. This is an example of that. As far as I know, this is the only one. Right, so there you have it, the world's first hammock bird cage. I made this, it's got a little door here to let it's made for a pigeon. If you follow him on Instagram, it's Fish the Pigeon. This hammock's for his owner, and this is his place now. The way I did it is it's got a piece of plexiglass inside on the floor that will protect the fabric and everything from his claws and stuff, and then the fabric on the inside has a sil poly waterproof lining in it, so it can unsnap all the way around, so you can take the bottom completely off and remove the plexiglass, clean it all up and put it back in there, and just snap it back in place. And then got the opening for him, and it's designed right now. I'm hanging it with the door facing this way, but it's got connectors on both sides, all four sides, so you can switch it around. So if you wanted the door facing the head end of the hammock, or if you wanted the door facing the other way, set it however you want it. But and the ridge line is not tight. I'm trying to. It just got done raining, so I'm trying to make sure his hammock stays dry, so the ridge line is loose and everything. That's why it's sagging down like this. But yeah, it's a 1.0 monolite hammock with a bird cage, a hammock bird cage for Fish the Pigeon. That's pretty cool. Never thought I would have made fun of him, but look at that. I was pretty happy with it. Took some working because there's not exactly instructions you can follow on how to make one.